Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're watching some more Teen Wolf Rat Season 6 Episode 3 and this one is titled Sundowning. We were starting to figure it out last episode. At least they all realized that something was missing and they needed to find it. And Lydia was in love and Scott was like, I think I had a best friend, and it's like, yes you did, Scott. So I'm excited. I miss Styles so much. I miss him. So hope we get him back soon. All right, let's get into it.
Power. The ability to control things. This metal has no power.
We can have electricity.
Exactly. You turn this
So smart.
metal rod. Now it has influence
Is he obsessed with magnets?
over others.
Are you okay, Mr. Douglas?
Just a little cough.
Oh!
Mr. Douglas?
That's him. What? Was he an alpha? Is he a werewolf?
Where is it?
Oh!
Who took all of her stuff? What's wrong, Gwen? Someone stole all of her stuff. Whose stuff? Phoebe? My sister? She's been on your team for 2 years. I don't remember her. You don't remember her? The school doesn't remember her? No one remembers her.
Ooh, I just got chills.
Style.
How does
An arrangement
she
of
remember?
steps that allows people.
What?
Style.
Oh my god.
An arrangement of steps that
Oh.
allows people, but not animals, to climb over a fence.
You need to calm your breathing.
The effect of not having
If I don't wanna be
styles.
here.
Oh. Oh.
Because the test isn't going well.
Ow! Poor Malia. Oh, girl. Producer Tyler Posey? He was a producer? She gonna remember Styles as a coyote? The memory's gonna come back? Oh no, but she's naked.
It's alright. I'm okay.
I'm good.
Hard still since we don't know what a Styles is.
It's a he.
Who?
Styles. It's a family nickname. I never used it, but my father did.
He was named after his grandpa. What's the full name? What is it?
We think that somebody was taken from us.
Any idea who?
The mom.
Would have erased our memories.
The mom is
That's convenient.
the snake.
We got a clue.
I think he was my friend. Maybe he was my best friend.
I can guarantee you, my father can't help you.
Couldn't we try?
Haven't had a visitor in years.
Hey, ma'am. She keeps seeing people.
The following style top champion again, so
Why are you here? Is there something you want to tell me?
Hey, she's so nosy. Mind your business.
Found it.
I'll
You're not
find
here.
it on my own.
Trust me.
Hey!
Morning.
You know normal people knock.
Yeah. Oh, he made coffee, so that's fine.
Coffee.
I need your help.
The man in your yard. What did he look like? He had a black hat.
He was on a horse.
I couldn't see his face.
Oh.
They take people, and you don't even know it because they've erased your memory. If you see them, according to the mythology, you're next.
Mm.
Do you think I'm stupid? Gwen, I'm trying to help you. It's just all a big joke to you? I don't believe in ghosts, and I don't like being made fun of.
job to convince her. It's your job to keep her safe.
Just kidnap her.
Do not kidnap her. Be back tonight after we talk to Celeste. He's dead. Any suggestions? It doesn't matter, as long as she's safe. Kidnap her. Do not kidnap her.
After the orderlies at Icon House, pretty sure we can handle some nurses.
Get over there. They were gonna get them.
Malia! He seems familiar.
Is it time for my medicine?
We don't have your medicine.
Sir.
Do you know any of us?
Of course I do.
Styles is friends.
How could I forget my own son?
Your son?
What year is it?
1976.
Oh, he's
It's my
got.
son's birthday next week.
He has dementia.
You're my son.
Keep it down, old guy. I'm with the other old people.
I don't like her.
I don't like her.
Elias?
That's Mr. Stalinsky. Just who the hell do you think you are?
You know Scott isn't your son?
Of course I know that. Her brain's getting smaller with the skirts.
Wait, it's okay.
Right. You're Natalie Martin's girl, am I right? You look like her. She was pretty once, too.
Stop talking.
She's still pretty.
Enough!
Oh,
Jeff,
shit.
I explicitly told you not to come here. And who attacked a staff member? That's her. What the hell were you thinking? No, we were just having a nice conversation. Go crawling back to your dead wife and your loser son!
Ah! Okay, so he's not really nice.
What did you say? Is it time for my medicine?
Oh my god! Alright, alright, alright. They can all see him? He's like, well, shit.
Guys, he's breaking through.
Can we kill them?
Coroner found damage to both of Mazzara's cerebral hemispheres, but assumed that it was sustained from the wound. Mazzara's pineal gland is missing.
Can he see? Well, I guess they can all see them, or...
Shoot him, Paris! Everyone down now!
Shoot him! What are you doing? Pew, pew, pew! Oh, it's not doing anything. Uh-oh. Sorry, sir. gonna leave?
You ever have second thoughts? Us not having kids?
Not once.
Imposter.
Let's get out of here. Really sorry. We never should have gone there to see your father.
No, it's okay. I should have been clearer about who he is. This is my dad, Scott. He pushed me through a glass table, going after my mom. Small price to pay to keep him away from her. That time. Have you ever had a dream that's so real that you thought it was a memory? And I tell her that if we have a son, I want to name him after her father. Because he's a great father.
What's the name?
The kind of father I wish I had. He says, okay. We'll name him that. But it won't matter. He'll just be called Styles anyway.
It's the size of a pea.
Yep. All right. Another amazing episode of Teen Wolf. I am really enjoying this season so far. I know it's only been 3 episodes. So we met Sheriff Stilinski's dad, who's very unpleasant. At first I was kind of like laughing it off because in my mind it's Styles' grandfather. So I was like, oh, maybe he's just like old, but he's still funny. But no, then it just became like really, he's just mean. And he's like, what we learned in the end there, that he was violent with his wife, Sheriff Stilinski's mother, and that he got pushed through a glass table. Like that's really bad. So like the only good thing we can take from that is that he kind of like planted a seed for Stilinski, and he also had like his own, like what he said about the dream that felt like a memory. He said, go crawl up to your dead wife and your loser son, something like that. Like really mean. He is not a good person. But he said that and he was like, what are you talking about? And then he was gone. So there's that. And his memory of the, like, we'll name him after your dad, Claudia's dad. Because at first I was like, oh, okay, so Elias, that could be his name. I was kind of surprised because at some point, the only other time we mentioned that name was, I think it was the coach. And he was looking at a list and he was like, is that really your name or something like that? Like, I'm not sure, but it's been mentioned before that his name was kind of weird. And having to do with the grandfather being called Styles and then knowing that he was named Elias, I was like, well, it just kind of makes sense. But the Styles can be for Stilinski. Like, it's not really about, like, the first name. So I think the fact that he was named Styles was just because of Stilinski. But I'm still excited to learn his name. Oh my god, that's gonna be funny. Yeah, the story keeps evolving, and they're still trying to take people, which is worrying. And now there's like all these people that are targets. Like, we can't, like, that was a lot just to protect one person. Imagine trying to protect like 20 to 30 people. It's just insane. Malia is kind of losing her human side. She's struggling a lot to just like calm herself. She even like turned into a coyote during an exam, which like I understand, but it's still like something she wasn't doing when she had Styles with her. And yeah, I still think that the mother is, I don't know what she is, but someone put her there, and she's only there to make sure that like it's not revealed. And even when he asked, like I think he has doubts because he asked, did you ever have like any second thoughts about us not having children, especially after having this dream that he had talking about having a kid and that she was in? And now she's like, nope, never. Like it just doesn't add up. And I feel like he's starting to, with his dad's comment, he's starting to like put 2 and 2 together, and he's gonna try to dig. And I'm excited. Well, I'm curious to know like what's the deal with the mom, like who put her there, who is she? Is she like some sort of shapeshifter? I don't know. And we have that teacher who's a werewolf with an extra special jaw. Is it because he eats the pineal gland? I don't know, but he's worrying, and he's kind of like, I feel like it's totally unrelated to the Ghost Riders. It's like 2 different things. But that's so exciting, and I'm enjoying every episode so far. The 3 episodes that I've watched, I've freaking adored. The only thing is that I miss Styles, but the story's so good that it's just after the episode that I'm like, oh man, I miss Styles. I can't wait to see him again. But during the episode, I'm just like completely sucked in, and I don't notice because we're still talking about him and we're still trying to figure it out. And I feel like they're doing a great job, and it's a great pace for them to be like piecing things together, that I trust them, that I'm like, we're gonna find him. And, you know, it's not like, oh, they're completely off the tracks. That would be frustrating, and that would make me like, oh, come on, let's find him. I would be very impatient. But right now, I'm just like trusting the process, you know? Trusting the process. That will be it. That was season 6, episode 3, Sundowning. So, that was amazing. I will see you guys for the next episode, and thank you so much for watching.